today we're going to make a model of the sun and the earth and the moon, and you'll be able to show how an orbit works. So I have a video. Can you read that for me, Richard?
The Dawn spacecraft will orbit the dwarf planet Ceres. This means that Dawn will get close enough to Ceres to be affected by Ceres' gravity without landing on Ceres. Then Dawn will travel in a circle around Ceres. Our moon also orbits around Earth, and Earth orbits around the sun.
So tell me something y'all have talked about Earth and orbiting or gravity. What's something you know about it? Do you know anything, Ron? Do you know what gravity is?
Floating.
Pulling. Good job. So we're going to watch this short video about the Dawn spacecraft and its orbiting Ceres. This says February 19th. Has that already happened? Richard, have we already seen February 19th?
Yes.
Yes, we have.
Yes.
So this is kind of going backwards. We're going to go forward. On March 6th, the dwarf planet is going to capture Dawn, the spacecraft, and it's going to start orbiting. Okay, so March 6th was just recently, right?
Yes.
So is it in orbit now?
No.
It says March 6th it's going to catch it.
Yes.
So it is in orbit already. So we're going to watch that happening. Pull it in and start going in a circle. So now it's orbiting or going around. And what do you think caused it to do that? What's that word that pulls towards?
Gravity.
Gravity. Gravity has caused it to start orbiting.
All the way to May 9th.
May 9th is when it started, and so it's still orbiting, and it's going to orbit for a really long time. And while it's orbiting, it's taking pictures of it so that we can kind of study it. So gravity is a force that pulls things towards the surface of an object in space. So what does gravity do? Pulls it. And it helps to keep an object in orbit. So that's how it kept going around and around, because the gravity is pulling it towards it.
Like a circle.
That's right. Smaller objects orbit larger objects because larger objects have a greater force of gravity. So which one has the greatest force of gravity? A small or a large object?
Large.
Large. When an object falls, gravity is what pulls the object down towards the surface of the earth. So if we dropped a ball and it falls down, what's pulling it towards the earth?
Never.
the gravity is pulling it towards the earth. Good job. Okay, we have a basketball and a tennis ball. Right, so which one has the greatest force of gravity?
Basketball.
The basketball. Why is that?
It's bigger.
It's bigger. Okay, watch the tennis ball in the first one. What did it do?
It's circled.
It made a circle. Okay, watch the next one.
Made a triangle.
Made a triangle. Which one is correct? How does it orbit? In a circle or a triangle?
In a circle.
In a circle. So the first one was correct. Good job. Okay, now we're going to make a model of the Earth and the Moon orbiting the Sun. Oh, can you give everyone a blue? Will you give everyone scissors? Grab a few crayons.
Scissors. What sort of colors do we need?
So we're going to color a sun, an earth, and the moon. So what colors do we need?
Yellow.
Okay.
There's yellow. And
What color is the earth?
blue.
Okay. And the moon. What color is the moon, Brian?
White.
Or gray. It's gray.
Brian, what color is the moon?
White. Gray.
It's like a white or a gray. Good job. Smarter than lots of Okay, so what is our first step to do?
Code the sun, earth, and moon symbols on Asher sheet A
Okay.
and B.
Good job. So this sheet right here, can everybody find it? We're going to color the sun. What color is the sun?
Yellow.
Yellow. Can you color that quickly?
Here it is.
Do you have a yellow? When you finish with the sun, you can go ahead and color the earth and the moon. Richard, do you want to color the earth and the moon?
Yeah, it's good. Earth and moon.
Good job.
So now what we do?
We're gonna let them finish coloring and then we're gonna see what number 2 says.
Right.
Okay, while they're finishing up, can you read number 2 for me, Richard?
Cut out the 2 circles on the cutting lines.
So we're gonna cut out the circles on the lines. They should look like this. Good job. A few more seconds until Brian gets his cut out.
I guess.
Take it, Margaret.
Good job, Brian.
There.
While he finishes that, read number 3 for me, Cole, please.
Rude glue stick on the back of the sign. Similar stick to the center of the paper.
Okay, so we're going to take the glue stick and we're going to rub it on the back, and then we're going to put it on our paper plate. So be careful because you have 2 little,
Tacks.
Yes.
so we're
They're
going to
very
glue
sharp.
it right here into the center, just like this.
These little tiny ones are called tacks. Aren't they called?
Yes. Yeah.
So we're going to glue the sun into the middle of this. want
I
to do?
mispronounced it. That's okay.
Yeah.
Everybody have their sign in the paper plate? Okay, number 4 says use a pen to punch a small hole in the sun and in the earth, and I tried to do that for everybody. Let me check that one. So check and see if you have a hole.
I think I might have one here in the sun, but thank you.
Good job. I'm gonna put a hole through the center for you.
Like a shot.
Yeah, tell me about it.
Looks like it. A pin. It's kind of like a blue shot thing.
Okay, let's look at number 5. Will you read that for me, Brian? Can you see number 5? Here we go, right here.
Full punch.
Using hole punch small hole at each end of cardstock strip.
Okay, so everybody has a piece of cardstock, and I went ahead and punched the holes for us. Okay? What does number 6 say, Richard?
Put one fastener through the hole in sun, then one hole in card strip. Spread fastener prongs.
Okay, so this one might be a little tricky.
Mm-hmm.
We have the sun on there, and then we're going to put the cardstock on the back, and we're going to put one of these little fasteners all the way through both the paper plate and the cardstock. So let me know if you need help.
I think I might.
Think you can get it? It may help if you put it through the plate first and then stick the cardstock on it. Got it in there? Okay. Now lay your cardstock on top. And then you'll fold the back down. Can you fold that side down for me? Good job. Got it, Richard?
I think I might need some help.
Okay.
Then
Get the thing
Let's
lined
put
up.
it through there first. Can you put this prongs down?
Like the sun.
Good job. Okay, everybody test it out. See if it'll spin. Just turn your plate. See if it'll spin. Good job.
It works.
Okay, number 7. Put the other fastener through the hole in the earth and then the hole on the other end of the cardstock. So we're going to do the same thing. The earth and the cardstock. Let me know if you need help.
I'm trying. I think I got it through the hole now. I just gotta
Will it
get
help
these
if I
prongs
hold?
down. There we go. Thanks.
let's try this one. Can you spin the Earth and the Moon? See if that works.
Yep, it works.
Okay, good deal. So the Earth orbits around the what?
Sun.
The sun. So you're going to take your plate and you're going to make it turn around the sun, like this. But then what does the moon do to the Earth?
Stay in one place.
Does it stay in one place or does it orbit the Earth?
Orbit.
The moon also orbits. So as you're spinning this one around, you also have to spin the moon around the Earth. Can you do that? Can you show me?
Like that, like this.
And then also you have to spin the moon.
I am spinning them.
Spin this one too. It's kind of hard. It's a lot to do, isn't it?
Yeah.
Okay, so the Earth orbits the what?
Earth orbits the sun.
The Earth orbits the sun, and then what orbits the Earth? The moon. Good job. So what makes things orbit?
Gravity.
Gravity does. And what type of shape does an orbit make? Is it a triangle, Brian?
No.
No, it's a what?
It's a circle.
It orbits in a circle. Good job. So now you have a worksheet, and you're going to answer some questions, okay? Can you find your worksheet? Can you tell me something you learned, Richard?
Yeah, sure. I learned that the moon stays in one place.
Does it stay in one place, or does it orbit the Earth?
It orbits the Earth.
So it does not stay in one place. It goes around the Earth.
Well, yes, and that's why it's always out during the day.
Is the moon out during the day or at night?
Both.
Sometimes both, because it's always moving. Does it ever stop?
No.
No. Does the Earth ever stop going
No.
around the sun?
No, it does not.
Now tell me something you learned, Nicole.
Everything.
You learned everything? What shape does the
Circle.
orbit? It goes in a circle. Good job. Did you learn something, Brian?
Yeah, that the moon orbits the Earth. The Earth orbits the sun,
Good job.
and the orbit is in a circle. But the sun, it stays in one place.
Right, and the Earth goes around it. Good job.